Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make doll's hair smooth. First, gently detangle the doll's hair using a wide tooth comb, always starting from the ends to prevent further damage. Next, wash the hair with a mild shampoo and lukewarm water, ensuring you rinse it thoroughly to remove all product. After washing, apply a small amount of fabric softener or a good quality hair conditioner. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to deeply penetrate and soften the strands before rinsing again. For deeper conditioning, try a mixture of 1 part fabric softener to 2 parts water in a spray bottle. This allows for even application and helps smooth stubborn tangles. Another effective method involves carefully dipping sections of the doll's hair into hot, not boiling, water for just a few seconds. This can help reset the hair fibers. Finish by applying a small amount of leave-in conditioner or a silicone-based serum to add shine and provide lasting protection against frizz. To maintain your doll's newly smooth hair, proper storage is key. Keep dolls away from direct sunlight and dusty areas, which can degrade hair quality over time. Regular, gentle brushing with a soft brush will help prevent tangles and keep the hair looking its best. Remember, doll hair, especially synthetic types, is very sensitive to heat. Never use heat styling tools like curling irons or straighteners, as this can permanently damage or even melt the fibers. As a final tip, always test any new product on a small, inconspicuous section of the doll's hair first to ensure it doesn't cause any adverse reactions. For persistent tangles, consider investing in a doll hair detangling spray, which is often formulated specifically for synthetic fibers and can make a big difference. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's perfect for keeping your space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.